Alright, so hopefully you don't get sick while watching this, but I'm going to do my best to kind of scroll through and discuss as we go. In case the last video I posted did not work, it wasn't working for me, so I don't know if it worked for you guys or not. So the main thing I need you to understand with assignment 7B and chapter 7 overall is obviously it's numbers. But we need to understand the difference between when to use check expect and when to use check within. So when using check expect, which we've used up to this section, we're expecting to get an exact answer. So like for my assignment, my exercise is 772, 773, 772. I'm dealing with a rectangular perimeter. And so with the rectangular perimeter, I'm going to get an exact answer. Like my example there of width of 5 and height of 10, I know it is going to be exactly 30. But then when I look down at 773, circle perimeter, I'm dealing with pi. And again, I would expect, sorry, give me 1 second here, right here, I would expect you to use the word pi, P-I, when writing out a program for a quiz or a test, not 3.14. So we know, because we're far enough in our math careers, that we know pi is a never-ending decimal. It goes on forever and ever and ever. So we can't say exactly what that answer is going to be. So if we're going to use something that's not going to give us an exact answer, we want to use check within. And so I've got my check within on 773, right, sorry, I hit that, right here. Check within, circle, perimeter, 10. I'm expecting my answer to be 62.831, and then I'm going to take an answer within 0.001. So anything that falls within that range, I will take as a solution. So check within expects 4 arguments. Check within is the first. Expects 3 arguments, and check within is my function. So check within is my function. My first argument is the function name and what it's taking in. My second argument is what I expect the answer to be. And my third argument is what my range is. How much of an error am I okay with? So hopefully that part helps. Other than that, I've posted this answer key on Google Classroom, so hopefully everything is straightforward. For example, something I want to talk about on 779 and so forth. The book says you can use previous functions to be able to write these, so like you can kind of see my 779 here. So in my days to minutes function, I'm actually using my hours to minutes and days to hours. I am not okay with just you can't. I need you to use these. So I want you to use your previous functions to be able to define these other functions shorter. This is a huge part of coding. So if you have any interest in going to programming, the whole reason we write programs/functions is so that we can use them in other ones. Kind of think back to functions where we use beside and above in the same thing. Well, once we have beside, we don't want to keep on writing the basic programming for that. We want to use the function we've already defined. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I go all the way to 7714. Jack asked, I think about 7715 if we can use check within or check expect on that one. Again, if you're going to get an exact answer, where I think they tell you that Kelvin is like 273.15, where the decimal ends right there, so you can get an exact answer, then check expect is fine. But I believe it's on 7716, they tell you to use an equation to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, where it's like 5 divided by 9, which we clearly know is a pretty long decimal. Then I would expect you guys to use check within on that. Hope that helps and hope everything's going well. Please let me know at the end of the day where you guys are so I can figure out if we're on pace to finish chapter 7 by the end of the day today. Have a great day.